Chemical equations. The representation of chemical reaction in symbolic form is known as chemical equation. Chemical equation says that which of the materials are reacting in what proportion and in which condition, and after reaction what are the products and what are the evolved conditions, etc. To write the chemical equation, a chemical reaction or change, we write reactants in left by giving plus symbol between them. As for example, these two reactants are written in left and plus symbol is given between these two reactants. The process is represented by arrow symbol. After reactant, this arrow symbol is given. This indicates the processing of reactions. Products are written in right side or RHS by giving plus symbol in between them. If there are more than two product, then plus symbol is used to separate them, and products are written in the right side, not in left side. Process, conditions, methods and usage of catalyst, heating, cooling, electricity, etc. are indicated above or below arrow symbol. This arrow symbol is the indication of process or reaction. Some conditions like using of heat, cooling, catalyst, etc. are used or written above or below the arrow symbol. States of reactants and product must be maintained or mentioned. States just like ferrous is solid, water is liquid, Fe3O4 ferric oxide is solid and hydrogen is gaseous. Volatile products that are indicated by upward arrow. Volatile means the product which is gaseous in nature and can blown out, जो उड़ सके. This type of products are indicated by upward arrow symbol, like H2 gas is lighter than air. It can be blown out of the test tube. Chemical equation must be balanced. It means total mass of reactant. Total mass of reactant is equal to total mass of product. As for example, we can see this Fe, sorry, here will be 3 atoms of iron. Here 3 iron atoms are also present. Now 8 atoms of hydrogen and 8 atoms of hydrogen. 4 atoms of oxygen, 1 into 4, 4 atoms of hydrogen. Chemical equation must be actual blueprint of chemical reaction. Dear student, you must remind that the chemical equation which are written by us must be hold the test true इन लेबोरेटरी, ये लैब में साबित होना चाहिए. इट मस्ट नॉट बी वर्चुअल और ओनली ऑन नोटबुक और कॉपी. इट मस्ट होल्ड टेस्ट इन लेबोरेटरी. ओके.